everybody, it's Neil, and today I have this Kobalt, and these are like different kind of self-adjusting pliers. And so I'll open them up here so we can see what they're like. I have a razor blade here to cut it open. There's one, and there's that one. And this one here looks like it's mounted in the plastic. Let's see if I can get it out. There we go. Okay, so they're out. And so if you look at them, the way they work is if you have something small, like I'm doing my 3D printing and I have these like little tiny little nozzles. Where's my camera? There. And so they have these little edges, and I do have some sockets and whatnot for them, but like to grab onto something like that shape, you know, you want to be able to get it around the edges without stripping it and stuff like that. And so this gives you that ability to do. So you can just do it like that, and you grab it, and then once it closes, once it hits the close point, you'll see. So there, it's like it's touching it, and then you get a little extra grab, you see, and that locks it into place. So now it's locked in with the things, and it's not going anywhere. So it's like locking ones. So then I can rotate it and do whatever I need to do to loosen them without actually getting marks and stuff all over it. I mean, I don't mind little marks over it, but I don't want to strip the whole the outside of it. If I just had regular pliers that were like angled out, then it wouldn't work. And then there's the big version of them too. I got the big one because I'm like, hey, I'll get the 2 set. I don't think this is gonna really do. I mean, it probably will work for this, but it's way overkill, and it's not going to give me any kind of precision whatsoever for that. So like I'm doing things like on the toilet stuff and all that, and I want to just grab that stuff underneath, and it's just driving me crazy trying to do it with the other ones, and they slip off. See this one here, it'll grab, and once it grabs, then it gets that extra little, that locking part. And then once it's locked into place, then it doesn't really go anywhere. It's hard to lock it. I just grabbed my hand, but I can show something. I don't know. I don't think I can really get anything really good grabbed on there. Okay, so there, now it's grabbed, and then, well, it's on a spring too, so then it comes off. But it will hold, and it'll just hold it in place, and that's what's good about it. And these are by Kobalt, but they are called self-adjusting pliers, and the small ones are keeping with my 3D printer to use for that, and then these I'll be using just around the house or my car or whatnot. So there we go. So I've had these before, and they're good. This one here comes with an 8-inch and a 10-inch one for the set. I'll put a link to it in the description if anybody's interested. I got them on Amazon, so not so difficult. But thanks for watching, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.